Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to build the easiest. What was that? I think it was like normal cave sound, so I'm going to show you how to build it. You have to get some wood. Okay, I'm just gonna check. I mean not wood. Oh, I just screwed up. You need saplings. Any saplings will work. Any saplings, okay? So I'm just gonna use the normal oak. Now place one here. Like build the how much shape do you want? I'm just gonna make that the shape. Okay. Hup, hup. But sometimes it's hard to do that, like bone meal it. So take it your own risk if you're in survival, cause you know, or maybe hard harvesting these saplings. Just to think that doesn't work. That would have been embarrassing for you guys. Okay, so okay, okay, okay. Okay, I wanna be the door. No, not here. I'm gonna break here. Door here. Bum. Okay, here's only one room. Okay, great. So we're like pretty much done. Just we need some bone meal. It's easy to get from skeletons or something like them. You need bones. Okay, I'm just gonna bone meal it. One here. Oops. At least do that. I accidentally do that. Wait. Why am I growing so much grass? Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, I'm stuck. So you can see when the tree's done, then you have to break some. You have to break some leaves of it to get to grow another tree. So that's it. So it's gonna take some time for sure, but it's not gonna be hard. Like so much hard. Okay, because it says sometimes the trees could be bigger, so no problem with that. You can just okay, that's done. It was easy. Okay, that's done. See, this is guys gonna be easy. This is the easiest build service because it's building its own. Wait, what? Wait. You grow on your own without telling me? You are a bad boy. Okay, done. Wait a second. Yeah, there will be a little hard farming out the what is that called again? The grass. For the long fun. The fronds. Come on. It's already getting night. Wait a second. Hop. Okay, ground. Okay, this is not gonna be good. So easily. Okay. Go, my majesty. Huh? Okay. This is gonna be the weirdest near the village. Oops. Accidentally break that. It's gonna be weird because everything is wood, but you are tree. How you can build it in a server because it's gonna be like, what? Why is he building like that? He's so weird, but don't worry. Just say you are unique. And you and say I love nature and I hate breaking wood. Just that it. And break or trade with them or something like that. That'll be easy. Okay, I just took some trees. Here. Why is it taking so long? It's taking some time. Guys, I also took a while to never look at the moon in Minecraft for too long. Cause a creepypasta channel told me that you very very bad luck, and they show the footage of the player, and I'm not doing it again. I'm not doing it. I'm not taking it. Bad luck. I want it. Yeah, you can just look in the moon for all the time. If you aren't creative, you have no trouble. Kill them all. Okay. It's hard growing this one. When it cannot put. Oh, please work. Okay, did work. Just you and me. Grow, man. Your friends all grown. Now you need to be grown. Go. Okay, that's done. Wait. Grow. Is there anything wrong with you? Can't grow. That's done. It looks like a pile of forest. So I'm gonna make a door here. Oh wait, I should also clear up the leaves inside. I'm just gonna. Okay, let's see. I thought it was something else. I'm gonna make a torch. Place a torch. Okay, got the torch. We need it. It will be way more fun if you have the offend slot. Shut up! Don't you dare! Get out of here, man! Can you just get out of here? This is player's property. Nah, I ain't gonna mess no brain. You know what? I am destroying this dude. Okay, maybe not. I have to do this before the time runs out. Yeah, I'm gonna quick leave destroying trip. So hey guys, it's done. It's done. It's a beautiful big tree house. I'm just gonna add some lanterns here. Lantern. Okay, lanterns. I forgot to spell that or say that correctly. Just gonna add some to here. Wait. Here. Okay. Made one there. This one. Okay, it's not placing on the phone. Come on, play. Okay, if you don't have anything, just replace it with another block or something. That's what I do somewhere there. I'll just... What is this? Mojang, I'm telling you, really, delete the game sounds. Or make a settings for both editions where we can off the what is that? Game sounds. I'm so scared and angry with it. It's so annoying when you go mining and there's a noise. And you're out. You don't want to go mining anymore. I somehow finished my scare for going mining and it returned again. With the cave sounds. Again, I'm afraid. So guys, this is the house I built it. That's cool. It's cool. It's a good thing. Like this, like that. It's a good thing to add that. And I'm not happy some of their zombies everywhere. So, you know what I'm gonna do now? You know it. I turned the slider into the sun. That was correct, Kenny. My boy Iron Golem is almost dead. I'm gonna give him some iron. Oh yes, L. I am. Guys, what's your favorite mob? Comment down below. Okay, that's it. For support, I'm gonna spawn more iron golems. That will be helpful a lot. Let's get some pumpkin. Where's it? Okay, carve pumpkin. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Iron golem. Iron golem. Wait a second. He's stuck. Oh yeah, I can get out now. I don't know, but he's almost stuck. Oh wait. He's not coming out of the cave. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wait, what? Wait. That's not working. What's the dirt? Yeah, it was the dirt. It was a hard job doing that. It was easy planting the saplings and all of that, but it's hard when you release. Hey boy, what you doing? No, you're not the bully. You're my friend. See ya. Clearing all the leaves, extra leaves. So, you know how it's gonna end. So guys, the video is gonna end here. Please like and subscribe and comment down your favorite mob and your favorite house. You like modern or old or gold, anything. Yeah, I am a person. If you also remember something, when you're in the childhood, you used diamonds, emeralds, and used to build your house. Amen. Okay. Yeah. And my iron golem is going like, what the heck is this guy doing? Is he dumb? Why is he wearing a wired headphone in the front of an iron golem? He's like, what is he doing? I have no idea. So, see ya. Have a nice journey subscribing. So, it's gonna end in 5.